Pomegranate juice. Rich, sweet, and slightly tart. It is made from pomegranate seeds. This fruit has roots in the Middle East. The color is deep red and vibrant. Its taste balances sweet and sour. The texture is smooth and light. It stands out for its bold flavor, often seen as a premium juice, popular for its rich nutrients, served fresh or packaged. It feels both refreshing and intense, a strong and elegant drink. Watermelon juice, light, fresh, and hydrating. It is made from juicy watermelon. This fruit is common in warm climates. The taste is mild and naturally sweet. The texture is very watery. It feels extremely refreshing. The bright red color stands out, perfect for hot summer days, often served chilled with ice. Easy to drink and very light. Great for quick hydration. Simple and refreshing. Apple juice. Smooth, sweet, and easy to drink. It is made by pressing fresh apples. This juice has a long history in farming regions. Its taste is mild compared to citrus juices. The texture is light and clear. It is often filtered for a smooth finish. This makes it appealing to all age groups. It is commonly found in homes and schools. It works well as a daily refreshment. The sweetness comes naturally from the fruit. It is simple but widely enjoyed. A classic juice with universal appeal. Carrot juice. Smooth, earthy, and slightly sweet. It is made from fresh carrots. Carrots are grown worldwide. The flavor is mild and natural. The color is bright orange. It is known for its nutrients, often seen as a healthy choice, served fresh or blended. It has a thicker texture, less sugary than fruit juices, simple and nutritious. A healthy everyday drink. 73234. Cranberry juice. Tart, bold, and deep red. It is made from cranberries. These berries come from North America. Its taste is sharp and slightly sour, often mixed with sweeter juices. The flavor is strong and noticeable. Its deep color makes it unique. It is widely known as a health drink, served both pure and blended. Not as sweet as most juices, but very refreshing in its own way. A bold and distinct choice. Lemon juice. Sharp, sour, and refreshing. It is made from fresh lemons. This citrus fruit grows worldwide. Its taste is strongly acidic, usually mixed with water or sugar, rarely consumed alone. It has a clean and fresh flavor, often used in drinks and recipes. Very popular in summer drinks. Adds a refreshing kick, light but powerful in taste. A simple yet essential juice. Mango juice. Thick, sweet, and tropical. It is made from ripe mango pulp. This fruit is native to South Asia. Its texture is smooth and creamy. The flavor is rich and naturally sweet. It feels heavier than most juices. The bright yellow color is eye-catching. It is popular in hot climates, often served chilled for freshness. Loved for its strong fruity aroma. It gives a tropical experience. One of the richest juice types. Orange juice. A bright and refreshing citrus drink. It is made by extracting juice from fresh oranges. This drink has roots in citrus-growing regions. Its flavor is both sweet and slightly tangy. It stands out for its high vitamin C content. The color is vibrant and instantly recognizable. It is commonly served fresh or packaged. Many people enjoy it as part of breakfast. It pairs well with light meals and snacks. Its refreshing taste makes it widely loved. It is one of the most consumed juices worldwide. Simple, pineapple juice. Sweet, tangy, and tropical. It is made from fresh pineapple fruit. This fruit comes from South America. Its taste is both sweet and slightly sharp. The texture is light but juicy. It stands out for its tropical flavor. The yellow color feels bright and fresh. It is often served chilled with ice. Popular in summer and warm regions. It is also used in mixed drinks. Refreshing and slightly bold. A classic tropical favorite. Tomato juice. savory, rich, and unique. It is made from ripe tomatoes. Tomatoes are used worldwide. Its taste is not sweet like fruit juices. It has a slightly salty profile. The texture is thick and smooth, often used in drinks and recipes. Popular in savory beverages. It feels different from typical juices. Bold and distinctive flavor. Enjoyed chilled or seasoned. A unique juice experience. Mixed fruit juice. A blend of many flavors. It is made by combining different fruits. There is no single origin. The taste depends on the mix. It can be sweet, tangy, or balanced. The color varies with ingredients. Offers multiple nutrients together. Very popular in packaged drinks. Also easy to make at home. Each blend feels unique, refreshing, and versatile. A combination of everything.